Hey, welcome back to Prompt and Process, where we upskill with confidence, one tool at a time. Today we are going to be talking about data frame. Okay, what is a data frame? If you use Excel, you already understand data frames, tables. Yes, you just don't call them that. In Python, a table of data is called data frame. And today I'll show you exactly what that means inside Excel. So here I have a normal Excel table, name, sales, region, product and month, rows and columns, nothing special. Now we are going to turn this into a data frame. We'll come to the tab, the formulas tab here at the top. We click on it. Now I want everything we are going to do to be here. So I'm going to click here. Then I'm going to go to Insert Python and click on it. When I click on it, it opens up. Then I'll go ahead and type DF data frame, then equal to. Then I want it. This is the area I'm going to use. I'm just going to highlight them, and you can see them in the formulas tab. The DF stands for data frame. I gave it a name. Then these are the formulas from A1 through to E13. Now, the headers are true because there's headers in my table. Now, I'm going to commit it and I'm going to click on Control Enter. And you see what will happen here. We've created our data frame. Now, what just happened? Python took the data from cells A1 through to E13, okay? Use the first rows as column names, a data frame, and created a data frame. Okay, now a data frame is simply a structured table with rows and columns that Python understands. Okay, that is the language that Python understands in Excel. Okay, now you can see when I click here, it shows exactly the same thing. Now I can work with this. I can do a lot of things with this, and it's so much easier than doing it here, as you will see in the upcoming videos. Okay. Now also, if I want to turn this into Excel output, I'll come here, I'll right click, then Excel output. I will click on Excel value. See, it's the same thing. Now, we can also do this to, this is not a table in Excel, but this one is. So I'm going to do the same thing here. So let me go ahead and click into this box and I'll say insert Python. Okay, do exactly the same thing I did. I will call this one df2. Okay, and I'll say equal to, then I will just highlight from A17 through to E. Then you can see the difference here, the table all. Okay, now I'm going to commit it, Control Enter, and it's going to give me the same data frame. Okay, when I right click on it and I'll click on Excel value, the same thing. It gives me, so this is a data frame, how a data frame looks. Think of it like this: Excel sees cells, Python sees structure. When we create a data frame, we are telling Python this isn't just random cells, this is organized data. Why data frames matter? And this is important because almost everything you do in data work starts with a data frame. Cleaning data, transforming reports, automating workflows. It all begins with getting your Excel data into a data frame. Okay? Once it's a data frame, Python can work with it. That's justice. So if you remember one thing from this video, remember this. A data frame is just a smarter Excel table that Python can control. In the next video, we'll look at one of the most common real-world problems: missing values. They can be so hard when you have a huge amount of data. We'll see how to use data frames to handle them easily. If you're learning Python inside Excel, please subscribe to this channel and also leave a comment telling me how much you know about data frames. Until next time, keep upskilling with confidence, one tool at a time. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day.